Okay, so working on the seatbelts. Also, we're gonna put in the steering wheel because that is terrible. Seatbelts are by Seatbelt Planet, which we're gonna put, and then we got a Momo steering wheel. Yes. And then I got 2 stickers to put on. I've got Seatbelt Planet, and then of course that one from a friend, and I'll put that somewhere on there. Because the top's off. There we go. So excited. That, we're getting there. We're getting there. Old steering wheel and airbag out. New steering wheel is on, but I need an extension because I can't put the center cap on, and every time I turn the wheel, I turn a turn signal on or something happens. And I also got the leather seats done, so now they are black instead of tan, and that looks so much better. And me driving home, it's a little hard. And yeah, that looks so terrible. But it's okay, I got my co-pilot.